Hi, I'm Zubin, and I am going to teach you about passion food. Now, many people ask me what makes me a genius on passion food, and a genius I am, that goes without saying. I'm Indian, and India has 1.2 billion people, and we are the inventors of the Kama Sutra. And I have learned the art of Kama Sutra and Khana Sutra, which is food derived to make you passionate. This dish is good for a main course, and I call it Love Bites. Today we're going to do Rizala, which is a dish that was invented in Mandu, which is in Madhya Pradesh. You know, this dish was made for a very raunchy emperor called Ghiyasuddin Khilji. He had a harem of 1,000 women. And he called his royal chef and he said, do something for me. And the chef prepared the Rizala. I tasted this in Mandu. And incidentally, after that, I went looking for 999 more women. For this, you would require lamb. Half a kilo would be great. 250 grams of yogurt. 50 grams of ghee, 200 grams of sliced onions, a couple of bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, a spoonful of chopped garlic, a lot of green chilies, about 100 grams would be great, a sprinkling of sugar and salt to taste. Ghee is a brilliant aphrodisiac. It has been mentioned over centuries in scriptures and elsewhere. Lamb has been used since the Middle Ages, and so are chilies. Chilies have been used for about 2,500 years as aphrodisiacs. The method to cook this wonderful dish is really simple. You don't need to marinate the meat and you don't need a whole lot of preparations. All you require is a very heavy bottom pot. Heat the ghee in the pot, and I use a pressure cooker because it's so much faster to cook my lamb in. And you throw in your spices, which is your cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. The spices will puff up really soon. And you've got to make sure you throw in the onions now so that you prevent the spices from burning out. You add in your chopped garlic and the lamb and cook it on a high flame till the lamb is well seared. Now at this stage you can smell this beautiful aroma of lamb, onions and spices. I think that's a great setting for the evening already. Now you'd see that the lamb is cooked on the outside but bright pink on the inside. That's perfect. At this stage you need to add in the yogurt. Now the yogurt has to be whisked so that it's quite smooth. You throw in the yogurt, the fresh chilies and sugar and salt. Cover the pressure cooker with your lid and simmer it on a low flame for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, your pressure cooker will go off. Let out the air from it and open it and serve with a sprinkling of fresh coriander leaves.